In most groups, the quality of leadership depends entirely on which manager is on. This is about how Nexus Command gives every one of them the same caliber of coaching, so your standard doesn't swing shift to shift. Let's get into it. Here's the real problem when you have more than one manager. Your team's experience changes with whoever's holding the keys. Your best manager runs a tight, fair floor. Your newest one is guessing, learning on your customers and your staff. Same brand, same sign out front, but honestly, two different companies depending on the night. And that swing costs you. The team feels the whiplash. Rules that change by manager breed resentment, and that's not fair on days. Good people leave because nobody quits a job, they quit a bad shift lead, and inconsistency is a turnover engine. Standards drift because without a shared bar, every manager sets their own, and the weakest one quietly becomes your ceiling. And you become the bottleneck, since every judgment call routes back to you. Nobody else was taught to make it. Here's how Nexus Command fixes it. The same coach for everyone. One standard built in. Every manager gets the same Helios coaching on conflict, accountability, and the hard calls. Your whole team connected. Add your shift leads as a team, so everyone's working from the same playbook instead of their own instincts. And coach to your bar. Set your standards once, and Helios coaches every manager toward them, even the one who started last week. So make your standard travel with every shift, no matter who's holding the keys. Bring your managers onto Nexus Command and give every one of them the same coach. Start free at nexuscmd.io. Add your team, and watch your weakest shift start to look a lot more like your best one. If this helped, like the video, share it with a multi-unit operator, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.